This package is the scarf from the Princess Diaries. I'm the first one on the internet to identify it, and if you don't believe me, search it and prove me wrong. That video now has almost 1 million views, and although I didn't think it was going to be an ethical debate about whether or not the queen lied, I did determine that it was not Hermès. Didn't ask any questions before buying this scarf. This was the only one on the internet that I could find, and so I bought it immediately. We have the scarf that Mia wore in the Princess Diaries. There is this corner matched to that corner. Is a vintage Echo scarf. Absolutely beautiful. Looks to be about a size 90. I'm gonna move this ottoman up so that we can style it like she did in the movie. Holding it in an upside down triangle. I'm going to hold the scarf down until we see something like this. I'll put one end under and one end under. And here's how Anne Hathaway wore the scarf in the Princess Diaries. And here is how I will be styling the scarf.